Hey y'all, what's up? Good morning. I am tired. Mom, entrepreneur, 2 jobs. Man, I'm tired. But it's the money to be made, money to be made. It's money on the flow, mom, money on the flow. No, but I've been up since 5 o'clock and right now it is 8:50. I logged into work around at 5 o'clock, so I've been on for a couple hours, so now I'm about to take my hour break and take a nap. Once I get up, I'm going to log back in, package some orders, and head to the post office. So let me take a nap for right now and then. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Blazing Beauty. First off, I just want to thank everyone who supports me. It means the world to me. So in this video, I'm just going to be packaging some orders. I received my boxes and they fit. Yay, I'm so excited. So now I have my vendor for my boxes. Now I'm looking for a vendor to get them customized. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to package them. I don't want anything to move or break around when shipping. So I'm trying to figure out different ways how I want to ship them. If I want to like protect them, and then it's gonna be so hard for the customer to open with all the saran wrap and all that stuff around it. So I'm trying to make it as easy as possible, but nice, and also make it gift like. So you'll probably be seeing me in a couple different videos packaging them all different ways, but that's how I usually get my little system down packed. I gotta try it a couple different ways and then find the best way that I like. So once I figure that out, it won't be so bad. But I think I did figure it out for like my smaller trays, like without the glass. But with the glass, I have to do it a little different because I don't want the glass to break.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep.